Oh, this is weird. They don't ask the, what do you call that? They normally ask for thumbnail or something, but they don't ask the thumbnail. That is weird. Yeah. We'll see. Are you watching me? Or I don't know how to fix it. I can see it. Where's the camera? Right there. Huh?
I don't want to see your back. I want to see your food.
Here, honey.
Maybe.
Cannot leave it like open or something. It can we like put it a little bit up?
You can do whatever you want. Don't make it a down shirt show.
Oh my god.
Hit stop. On the microwave.
Oh, I
Hit stop.
can't do it. It's not showing up. I'm gonna grab the tripod.
What are you talking about? Can't do that?
I wanna get the tablet so that I can see people. Come with me. My iPad. That's mine. Oh, what? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This bra is so comfy. I don't feel like itchy or nothing. They're expensive in Amazon, but this is practically the brand. I looked it up. It's cheaper at Target. But I don't care which one. I can wash it dirty and throw it in the washing machine.
You done yet?
Why?
I'm hungry.
That's easy to cook. After like I fry all the tofu, add some ingredients and we're done. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. When did I start live streaming? Almost there. Oh my god, I got so many white hair.
You got a bunch of money. I want to invest all sorts of money.
I'm gonna do layer my hair, haircut, layer my hair and cover this white hair.
Make sure you tell everyone watching.
Huh?
Make sure you tell everyone watching because they can hear you.
I know. That's fine. I didn't say anything cursing or something or bad words.
But most girls don't want everyone to hear that.
Did you go to salon and do hair color? 365 watching now. Hi viewers. Oh, my headache is gone. Yay, I can sleep well. Last night I couldn't sleep. I'm still awake till like 12. Smells good. I smell the onion garlic. Smells good.
People are talking to you.
Huh?
People are talking to you.
I know. I'm replying to my other account, so that's me. My other account.
Okay.
Remember those accounts that I need to continue it, so
I didn't see the smile.
yeah, that's me. My second account. You said here I remind you to like order groceries from Pizza Van. My business from order.
Yeah, I think that's the right one.
Mara?
Yeah. I'll get a lot less if I can carry a lot.
Oh.
I try to be cheap. The longer we're cheap, the more money we have to invest. The more we invest, the more we make. Eventually, we'll have so much money invested, we'll make more money than we need. And at that point, we retire.
Mm-hmm. Like people like, how come you retired already? Being smarter.
But so far, every single stock that I invested in has gone up.
Going up? Cool.
The only thing that's up is I invested heavy in Taylor Brands, and they kind of just disappeared.
Oh.
Oh, one company where I tripled my money just recently,
Uh-huh.
I put $50 and turned it into $150.
Yeah.
That was Microvision. I told you they made little LiDAR sensors that like particle use. Their stock went up a bunch today.
Did it?
Yeah, because they announced that they have gotten a lot better at making a certain type of sensor.
Oh.
So they went up like 70%.
Oh.
But I took my money out of it about a month ago, and they've gone up 250% in the last month. I sold at like $7, they're at 21. So $160 would be about $450 right now if I left it.
Nice.
But I took it out because I thought other things were going to make me money,
Mm-hmm.
and they did. It went up to 700.
Oh.
But then Robinhood killed all trading and it went away. And kind of bouncing back. I'm waiting for it to go up more though.
Okay, time to cook some of it. Garlic, onion.
I've already got $5 in my mining wallet.
Oh.
So if I just sold it right now, I could get $5.
$5.
Yeah, from like one day of mining.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, in the Philippines, that'd be pretty good. 250 pesos.
Uh-huh. You can buy a whole meal for that already.
But that's just how much money I've made. That doesn't account for how much more the electricity will be.
Oh.
I probably got to pay an extra dollar in electricity because of it. So it's really only $4.
Mm.
is estimating I'll get $6.37 each day.
Mm-hmm.
Then we look at the mattresses. So after electricity, I should make about $4 a day.
Yeah.
Yeah, current rate, that's about $2,100 per year. That's with just one little car. I think I should do is actually buy some video cards and put up this old computer. Tiny.
The whole computer.
I mean, it's just sitting there. It may as well be making me money.
Yeah.
The processor doesn't need to do a whole lot. That's the biggest problem. Oh, you're not going to show them what you put in?
No, I forgot.
You
Sorry.
could also just say, you have audio.
I add the soy sauce, the Filipino soy sauce, this one, silver one, and also the Filipino Darok thick vinegar with flavor on it. That actually tastes good, the combination of vinegar and soy sauce. Sour. Just gonna cook the tomatoes a little bit and that's it. I'm gonna add the tofu and it's ready. Ready for dinner. Ooh, I'm gonna add some peppers too. 'Cause I love peppers.
You already have a few.
No, I did
Well,
not.
that's pepper, not peppers.
Pepper. Pepper. I want more pepper. Good. There. A little bit for to simmer the tomatoes. Oh, I can smell it. It smells good. My rice is done. And should be ready. Yum. Okay, let's add the good thing. There. Add the tofu. There. And there you go.
profitability calculator for $79.70. It won't work because that card is like this, but we want to look at that.
Okay, this is ready. We're ready to eat.
I'll keep the onion.
Done.
Oh, that's not what we're setting up.
Gonna close it. Ah, my phone is getting hot. Sorry, I'm struggling.